Okay, let's talk about brows. Specifically, the eternal struggle of finding a brow gel that actually works without making your face feel like it's encased in a crunchy mask. Personally, I think most of us have been there. You want that perfectly sculpted brow, but you end up with stiff, unnatural-looking hairs. It's a love-hate relationship, right? I've often skipped brow gel altogether because the risk of that stiff, crispy feeling just isn't worth it for me. So, I decided to put 3 different brow gels to the test, from budget-friendly to a bit of a splurge. First up, the Essence Brow Lift and Freeze Glue. Now, this one is interesting because it's more of a wax consistency than a true gel. What this means is it never really sets in that hard, crunchy way. That's a huge plus for comfort, but it does make it a little trickier to get those hairs exactly where you want them. It promises 18 hours of hold, which, in my experience, is a bit of an exaggeration. I found my brows started to lose their shape after about 8 hours, which is a typical workday. It's definitely not going to survive a workout. For the price, it's not bad at all, and certainly not the worst I've tried, but it doesn't quite hit all the marks for me. Moving on to the mid-range option, we have the Morphe Micro Manager Gripping Brow Gel. What immediately stood out to me with this one was the brush. It's so slim and precise, which is fantastic for really directing each individual hair. It also doesn't pick up an excessive amount of product, which is key to avoiding that overdone look. However, here's where things get a little dicey. The white formula dries down really fast, and if you're wearing a heavier foundation like I was, it can start to flake. And when I say flake, I mean it looks like dandruff in your eyebrows, which is, let's be honest, a nightmare. If you're someone who prefers a lighter base or no foundation at all, you might not experience this issue, and this could be a really solid option for you. Finally, the luxury contender, the Vive Brow Gel. Now, I have to admit, I'm a bit of a fan of Jamie Genevieve, the founder of Vive, and her products often feel like she's reading my mind. This gel launched recently, and I had really high hopes. The tube is surprisingly generous, which is great value for money. The brush is also really well designed, with a consistent width that helps distribute the product evenly through every hair. And the formula? Brilliant. It's flexible, it sets your brows all day without feeling stiff or mask-like, and crucially, no flaking. From my perspective, this is the one that truly ticks all the boxes. It's the perfect balance of hold and flexibility, and it just feels incredibly comfortable. So, what's the takeaway here? It really comes down to what you prioritize. If budget is your main concern and you can live with a bit of resculpting, Essence is an option. If you're foundation-free and want precision, Morphe could work. But for that all-day, comfortable, flake-free hold that feels like nothing at all, Vive is, in my opinion, the standout. It just goes to show that sometimes, you do have to invest a little more to get that perfect finish. What are your go-to brow gels? Let me know in the comments.